Have you ever noticed white flakes on your shoulders, especially after wearing dark clothing? You're not alone! Dandruff is a common scalp condition. It affects millions of people worldwide. While it's not contagious or serious, dandruff can be embarrassing and annoying. The good news is that it's usually manageable with the right approach. Dandruff, also known as seborrheic dermatitis, is a common scalp condition. It causes flaky skin to appear on your scalp, hair, and clothing. It's usually not very itchy, but it can be embarrassing and make you feel self-conscious. The good news is that dandruff is usually easily treated with the right shampoo. The main culprit behind dandruff is a type of yeast called Malassezia globosa. This yeast is naturally present on the scalp of most adults and is usually harmless. However, under certain conditions, it can become problematic. This microscopic organism thrives in the oily environment of the scalp, feeding on the natural oils produced by our skin. When it breaks down these oils, it produces oleic acid, which can irritate the scalp in some individuals. For most people, Malassezia globosa doesn't cause any issues, and the scalp remains healthy and balanced. However, in some people, the presence of this yeast can lead to an inflammatory response. This irritation causes the skin cells on the scalp to grow and shed at an accelerated rate. These excess skin cells then die and shed off as visible flakes. These flakes can be white or yellowish in color and are what we commonly refer to as dandruff. Dandruff can be a source of discomfort and embarrassment for many, but understanding its root cause is the first step towards effective treatment and management. Section 4. Beyond the yeast, other factors at play. While Malassezia yeast is the primary cause, several other factors can contribute to dandruff. Dry skin, for instance, is a common culprit, especially during the winter months. Sensitivity to hair products, infrequent shampooing, and certain medical conditions can also play a role in aggravating dandruff. Section 5. Fighting back treatments for a flake-free head. Fortunately, there are effective treatments available to combat dandruff. These treatments range from over-the-counter shampoos to prescription medications, depending on the severity of the condition. Over-the-counter shampoos containing ingredients like zinc pyrithione, selenium sulfide, or ketoconazole are often the first line of defense. These ingredients are specifically formulated to target the root causes of dandruff. They work by slowing down the growth of the Malassezia yeast, which is a common culprit behind dandruff. Additionally, these shampoos help in reducing skin cell turnover, which can also contribute to flakiness. Regular use of these shampoos can significantly reduce the symptoms of dandruff, making your scalp healthier and more comfortable. For more stubborn cases, your doctor may recommend prescription-strength shampoos or antifungal medications. These treatments are more potent and can tackle severe dandruff issues that over-the-counter options might not fully address. Consulting a healthcare professional can provide you with a tailored treatment plan, ensuring you get the most effective solution for your dandruff problem. Remember, a flake-free head is achievable with the right approach and consistent care. Section 6. When to see a doctor. While most cases of dandruff can be managed with over-the-counter treatments, it's essential to see a dermatologist or your primary care physician if your dandruff is severe, doesn't improve with home remedies, or if you experience any unusual symptoms like redness, swelling, or bleeding. These could be signs of a more serious underlying condition that requires medical attention. Section 7. Prevention is key keeping dandruff at bay. Maintaining a healthy scalp is crucial for preventing dandruff. A healthy scalp is less likely to flake and itch, which are common symptoms of dandruff. Regular scalp care can make a significant difference in keeping dandruff at bay. Washing your hair regularly with a gentle shampoo can help remove excess oil and dead skin cells. It's important to choose a shampoo that suits your hair type and scalp condition. Avoid harsh shampoos that can strip your scalp of its natural oils. Using a conditioner can help moisturize your scalp and prevent dryness. A well-moisturized scalp is less prone to flaking and irritation. Make sure to apply the conditioner evenly and focus on the scalp as well as the hair. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can also promote scalp health. Nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids, are particularly beneficial for maintaining a healthy scalp. Eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods can support overall hair and scalp health. Finally, managing stress through exercise, relaxation techniques, or hobbies can contribute to overall well-being, including a healthy scalp. Stress can exacerbate dandruff, so finding ways to relax and unwind is essential. Activities like yoga, meditation, and even spending time on hobbies can help reduce stress levels and promote a healthier scalp.